Hey guys, welcome back to another empowering technology tutorial. As you can see, we are inside of the Helix-II template in the back end. First of all, I want to apologize. I haven't made any videos for quite some time. I've been extremely busy on a couple of projects, designing a few websites. So I do apologize for not making any videos. Not following through with the promise to create a step-by-step series of tutorials to show you exactly how to use this template. But I am back and I am going to start recording videos regularly again. As you can see, I've had to change the name of this demo website because I actually ran out of time on the last one that we were using. Everything is pretty much still the same. I have a home page, an about page, services, and contact us. So as far as that goes, if you're following along in the other two tutorials that I've already created, we're going to kind of try to pick up from there and move forward. So today what I want to do is I want to show you kind of how to tailor this template to your likings. So first thing we're going to do is go to Extensions and click on Template Manager and click on the Shaper Helix-II. Now back here you can change quite a few things as to how the template is going to look on the front end. Joom Shaper has created 3 presets for us to use. If you should choose to use one of these 3, this is basically the colors that they've picked out. Nevertheless, if you want to change it to your own color, you just change these options down here. Header color, background color, text color, and link color. You can make them whatever you want, whatever the theme of your website is, the branding of your company, make it to match that. The other one is the layout. From here, we can actually change where our modules are going to go and add more places for modules. So as you can see right now in the header section, they have it already set where the logo is going to be over here in a very small area. If you have a decent sized logo, you're going to want to change that. And the menu is right here in the middle and the little search bar is right here. But you can change this to whatever you want. And don't worry, you can't really mess anything up. Even if, we delete this, say we delete the menu, right? It's going to pop up a message to make sure you really want to do that. Select yes. Okay, now what that does is that extends our area for our logo to display. So let's say if you want to upload an image for your logo and your image is, the length of it is 900 pixels, you would want this area to be a little bigger. Otherwise, it's going to make your logo really small and over here in the left hand corner. And we can delete this search and have the whole area all the way across here for your logo. If you have a really long one, like on one of my websites, my logo image is actually 1100 pixels long, so that's what I did. Just delete that, and then you'll want to you'll want to add the menu back somewhere, otherwise you won't have a menu on the front end. So you just click on add a new row. Now we have this whole area down here we can mess with and add stuff to it, and then click on the settings right here, make this your menu. Now this is just an example. There are many different configurations that you can do, unlimited possibilities honestly with this template. And as far as module positioning, you can put your stuff wherever you want it. So that was just like a brief explanation of how you can make some changes to your template. Really relatively easy. You don't have to follow this. You can tailor it to your specific needs. Let's go ahead and get out of here. One other thing I want to show you in this tutorial really quick is right now we're using the default editor And when I say that, I mean if you go into your article manager and we click on a page, like let's say the home page for instance, this is the default editor, and it's really not practical. I mean, it does have, your basic functionality and whatnot, but I don't like to use it. I don't recommend you use it. I will show you what I do recommend that you use. Close this out and go back up here to extension. We're going to go to extension manager. If this is the first time that you're going to extension manager, it won't look like this. There'll be a little button like right here somewhere. It'll say click on this to enable web uploads, extension web uploads or something like that. Just click on that and then it will look like this. And you're going to want to download this editor right here, the JCE. So just click on it. And real quick too, if you don't know what extensions are, in Joomla, you can extend Joomla by doing what we're getting ready to do right now. Downloading these simple little extensions to extend Joomla to make it capable of doing things that it's not capable of doing right out of the box. That's the great thing about Joomla. There are, I don't even know how many, I would say thousands of extensions out there that you can use. Most of them are free, some are not. This one is a free extension. Click on install and then just click on install again. Now that we've installed it, we need to enable it, basically. We need to let the system know that we want to use this editor. So we're going to go to global configurations and scroll down right here where it says default editor. Right now it is the TinyMCE. We are going to change that to the JCE and hit save and close. I want to add a little bit of content to at least my home page in this tutorial really quickly. So we're going to go back to content and then article manager and click on home. And I've already selected some lorem ipsum text that I'm going to use for this tutorial. If you don't know what that is, it's just dummy text that doesn't really mean anything. You've probably seen it on a couple of websites here and there, and you're like, what is that? It's actually it's Latin, but it really doesn't mean anything. So I've already selected it. I'm just gonna add it, and I can actually now select this, and I can change the font if I want, and I can change the size, make it a little bigger, and hit save and close. Let's take a look at what we've done on the front end. So we've just basically, all we've really done was just add some text to the home page. And now we have a little bit of wordage going on. So let's go ahead and go back into the back end of our website. And let's go to Module Manager. And we're going to want to change the positioning of our main menu. As you can see, it hasn't really changed. It's still right here. That's because this is still set at position 1. We'll go into this module and we're going to change the position from position 1 to menu. Save and close. With Helix, it already has, the template itself already has the menus set. So when we add another menu, I wanted to show you guys this. When we add another menu, it gives us a double menu. So what we're going to want to do is just delete this menu, and actually we can delete all of these modules. It's okay to do it, especially within this template. I will show you. It is not going to hurt anything at all, and we are going to be creating our own modules. So this is all just core Joomla. It's nothing that can't be recreated, so do not worry. Go ahead and trash all of that. Alright, now it's just telling us that there are no modules. So now if we come back here and we refresh, you'll see we still have our menu. So that's that. Anyways guys, I just wanted to record this video and kind of get back into the groove of doing these tutorials for you and moving forward with the Helix-II project for you guys, to give you guys some pointers, some tips, kind of teach you how to use it. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I really like this template. I think that you'll find that you're going to like it too. For a free template, there's so much that we can do with it. Be sure to stay tuned for the tutorials to come. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use, the built-in carousel image slider that is already programmed into this template. We won't have to download any extensions, and it's pretty cool. So you'll definitely want to check out that one. I appreciate all the subscribers, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a quick thumbs up if it helped you out in any way. And until next time, everybody take care, be safe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.